Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for clicking on this video. Today's video is going to be once again about my Damier Noir. This is limited edition and I had a video of unboxing of this bag and I'm gonna link this video in the description box below. Most likely I'm gonna link it in the iCard and by the end of this video. This bag I was purchased pre-order, so it wasn't like, you know, openly available at the stores that I can actually go and look at the bag and inspect it and make sure that I enjoy it and love it all the way around. I'm not saying that I don't love this bag or anything like that, but what I'm trying to say, I ordered it over the picture and the picture was not even clear. It's kind of like, you know, very blurry picture that my SA sent me, but I mean that's what at her possession at the time when I was ordering. When I came to the store and look at the bag, I pretty much love everything about the bag. I love the look of the bag in general. I love the colors. Many people actually complain about the red handles. I kind of like the red handles because lately I'm kind of obsessed of getting red handbag in my collection. I still don't have a proper red handbag in my collection, and I think this was almost kind of like a substitute. I was trying to get some kind of substitute for the red handbag. And if you watch one of my videos when I talk about my current handbag obsession, other handbag obsessions that I have currently, it's still not over. It's a green handbag. So pretty much in this handbag, I thought like I almost killing, like, you know, two birds with one stone. So I have a green and I have a red. But from very first glance, when I look at this store, I dislike this blue shoulder bag or shoulder strap or crossbody strap. And not because I don't like the blue color. Once again, I have to repeat myself. I actually love blue color. What I don't like about this blue color, it's almost trying to, because this is all primary colors, very bright, green, red. And then all of a sudden you have kind of very pale blue. If they want to be strap almost invisible, I would say go for something gray, you know, that the strap is going to pretty much disappear and not like, you know, grabbing any attention on the bag. So I decided I'm gonna order an additional strap, and I actually show you a picture when I did my unboxing, the straps that I actually wanna order, and I did order, and I received this strap the other day. I already obviously undid the ribbons and everything. I'm gonna quickly show for you guys this strap, and I obviously need your opinion. What should I do with this strap, with this handbag in general? And I will tell you the reasons why I'm kind of a bit concerned, you know. So there you go. I remove the bag, sorry, the box, and here is the strap. So the strap, the reason that I decided to order this strap, I hope it will show. First and most, because it has actually silver hardware, which is supposedly perfect match for that handbag. And there we go, a little bit better, maybe. I hope it's focusing, guys. But once again, inside they put the blue. I wish if it's just the green and red, and forget about this blue. I don't know why they're trying to always add the blue to the green and red, but I mean, maybe I don't see the vision on obvious designer of this strap and handbag in general. So let me hook and show to you how it looks. And I look at myself yesterday in the mirror and I kind of like it, but I like it and I hate it. See what's happening? When you look over here, it's actually the green, it's absolute perfection, it's perfect match. But the red, the handles are smooth, but this one is AP leather, so it's kind of like, you know, there is a ridges on this leather, so that's what's happening. And that's when I keep it like really close. But when you actually using it, you see that blue, and the blue to me, it's almost like, you know, sore thumb. It just sticking, and I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Today I was actually trying to wear something that will complement that blue, that you kind of like, you know, supporting my decision and saying keep it, keep it. And I love everything about this handbag. I love everything about this look, everything except for that blue. But see what's happening over here. Say in Canada, roughly the cost of Speedy, you know, we are talking 1900, right? This handbag with the strap and everything, it's cost me 3,300. So we are talking 1900 and 3,300. I know it's a special edition and everything, but I mean, it's still canvas handbag. So 3,300 for canvas handbag, is it really worth it? And I'm questioning myself that I'm just trying to find some kind of substitute for the red handbag. If I really want to have a red handbag in my collection, why not buy a red handbag? And I don't know, once again, please tell me if I'm making maybe a huge mistake in my life. Maybe I should keep this and forget about, you know, my hesitation. I truly need your advice in this at this moment, because when I look right now, even in the viewfinder, I think it's absolutely gorgeous. But you know, when I'm thinking on the long term and how I'm going to use it, and that's what I say, even right now in the viewfinder, I trying to put in such a way that you don't see the blue, that what you see is only red and maybe just a touch of green, because I want to have a red handbag. But in the real life, you see that blue everywhere. And that's what I said. Actually, when I was also even posted on the Instagram, and I asked many, like, you know, people like, what do you think, what should I get, etc, etc. Many said, like, you know, we wish if there was just only two color in an accent. If they want to do red and blue, perfect, or red and green, perfect, or if they want to do green and blue, perfect, whatever you want to do, but no more than 3 colors. But what's happening right now, we have red, we have green, we have blue, we have light gray, we have dark gray, we have yellow over here. I mean, it's gorgeous handbag, but I'm so torn right now that one thing I know for a fact for myself when I'm choosing something, if I have doubt at the very beginning, and what I'm trying to say, this handbag right now sitting almost 4 weeks, not almost 4 weeks in my closet, and I didn't reach once. So I never actually use it yet, because I was really want to see how it's gonna look like with this strap. I never reached for it once. I know I was obsessed with this idea of having something unique, and 99% I'm sure you're gonna say, what are you doing? You're crazy. You shouldn't, like, you know, hesitate, go for it. But I know for a fact, if I have these hesitations, it means there is something inside of me eating me and saying that this is a wrong decision. And I definitely need your advice. I definitely need your advice. By the way, guys, I stopped saying, like, you know, in my introduction, that if you like my channel, if you like anything about the fashion, handbags, shoes, like, you know, outfits, idea, etc, etc, please consider subscribing to my channel, because my channel is growing, but definitely very slow. It doesn't grow drastically. I have enough views on my channel to be, like, you know, definitely 2,000 plus subscribers, but I'm just slightly over 1,300, and I'm still extremely grateful for all of you that support into my channel, and I will continue to do my best for you guys as long as you are supporting me, because this YouTube channel is kind of like, you know, almost escape of my tough everyday realities. I absolutely adore what I do on YouTube channel, and I continue to do it as long as you are supporting me. But anyway, please let's just concentrate on this handbag, because I definitely need your advice. What should I do with these handbags? Because literally I have a couple of days either to keep it or return it. And I mean, I know it looks gorgeous, but when you're gonna put your vote yes or no, and I just want to, like, you know, sometimes if you don't want to even write long comment, just put yes or no, and I will be satisfied with your you know, vote. But if you have something further to say, I would truly appreciate you know, all your support. But what I'm trying to say, just keep in mind, 3,300 I could get really decent handbag, like, you know, all leather handbag, with even if from the Louis Vuitton, you know. Not I'm saying that, I mean, pretty much like all my handbags from the Louis Vuitton nowadays, they are canvas, but I think it's a little bit excessive for the canvas, you know, the cost of this handbag. Correct me if I'm wrong, please. Put your votes. I really want to know, and I'm looking forward to your support. Thank you very much, guys, for taking your time to listen all my babbling and hopefully helping me with my decision. Please help me with my decision. I definitely appreciate all your feedback, and I'm very grateful for all of you who continue watching my channel and continue watching all my videos to the end. And I guess it's goodbye for today's video, and until our next meeting. Bye bye.